Hi, hello, welcome to Coding Care. Today I'll discuss how to create an object by using deserializations. Okay, let's get started. So, first of all, we have to know what is serialization and what is deserialization. So, serializations means writing the state of an object into a output stream. But deserializations means the inverse process of serializations is nothing but the deserializations. Means, let's say, for example, this is my class. Okay, this is my, let's say this is employee class, and this employee class I want to serialize. Means it will convert into this employee object into a, let's say this is a text file. This is a text file, let's say abc.txt. So converting an object to stream is called serialization, and stream to object is nothing but deserializations. So this is serializations, and this is deserializations. Okay, now it's clear. So now how to do? Let's get started. Let's say I have created a class called employee class, and in that class, let's say I have created two field. Let's say private int employee ID and private string employee name. Okay, I just added setter and getter method and two string. Now we have to create the now I want to this employee class object I want to serialize. So how? So let's say create one class called test class, and I have method main method, and in that main method first create the object of employee class. How? Employee e1 equal to new employee. So e1 dot set employee ID, let's say 1, then it1 dot set employee name, let's say Son. Okay, now I want to serialize. So how? Serialization. So how? First we need to create the object of file output stream object. So file output stream FIS equal to new file output stream. By passing, what we need to pass? We need to pass the path where I want to save. So let's say here I want to save. So just copy the path and paste it here, and double slash, let's say abc.txt. After serializing, I want to put this file abc.txt. Okay, now this error means throws the file not found exceptions. Okay, now we need to create the object of object output stream OS equal to new object output stream of FIS. So here I passed the reference of file output stream over here. So now this time also throws the exceptions. Now I want to serialize. How? Now OS dot write object by passing the employee object e1 object. Okay, let's run the program. See, now this time I got the error. Why? Not serialized exceptions. Not serializable exceptions means this employee class is not eligible for serialization. That's why if I do the serializations process, so it's giving the exceptions. So now the employee class is not eligible for serializable. So how to eligible for serializable? We need to implement from serializable interface, then only can see. Now just run the applications. See, no error means refresh this one, refresh. See, abc.txt. Now it's serialized. Okay, now I want to deserialize. Deserialize means we need to create the object from the output stream. This time I want to deserialization. So first of all, similarly, first of all I have to create the object of file input stream. File input stream, file input stream equal to new file input stream. So now this time I gave the path. So this is the path. So now alt enter, just copy the path and paste here. Okay, so now we need to create the object of object input stream. Object input stream, object input stream equal to new object input stream. Okay, by passing the reference of file input stream. Then we need to deserialization. How? The object input stream dot read object. Now this method will return the object. Okay, return the object. Which object? Employee object. So employee let's say emp equal to object input stream dot read object. So now it will return the object. We need to typecast to employee object. Okay, so this time it's throw the exceptions, was not found exceptions, and print sysout emp. See, so in this way we can create the object using deserializations. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Thank you.